These guys sleep up to 20 hours a day, and when they're awake, they move slower than your Wi-Fi on a rainy day. Sloths can't fight, they can't run. The only reason they've survived this long is camouflage. They move so little that algae actually grows on their fur, making them blend into trees. Level 2, the panda. On paper, pandas are bears. In reality, they're more like clumsy, bamboo-obsessed fluffballs. Sure, they can weigh up to 300 pounds, but most of that bulk is wasted because they eat 99% bamboo, which barely has nutrients. That's why they spend up to 14 hours a day eating, just to keep functioning. They're also terrible at reproduction. Female pandas are only fertile for 2 to 3 days a year, and even then, half the time they're not interested. In the wild, pandas can defend themselves if they absolutely must, but compared to other wild animals, they're weak, clumsy, and more likely to roll down a hill than win a fight. Koalas look cute, but when it comes to survival skills, they're hilariously underpowered. First problem, their diet. They eat almost nothing but eucalyptus leaves. A koala in a fight is like a toddler swinging a spoon. So yeah, adorable. Absolutely. But on the power scale, koalas are just barely stronger than sloths and pandas. Deer are quick, graceful, and extremely snackable in the wild. Their only real defense. Running, and their fast. Some species hit 50 to 60 kilometers per hour. But here's the catch. Speed only works if predators don't catch you first. Wolves, tigers, and even crocodiles regularly outsmart deer. And if a deer gets cornered, it might try to kick. But against an actual predator, it's like bringing a water balloon to a sword fight. But when it comes to raw survival power, they're still very much prey on the food chain. First off, they can run up to 65 kilometers per hour, fast enough to leave many predators behind. But here's the kicker. Zebras don't just run, they fight back like your donkey. Their kicks are so powerful, they can shatter a lion's jaw or break bones clean. Even seasoned predators think twice before attacking a healthy adult zebra. Still, zebras aren't invincible. Zebras aren't trained fighters. They're more like a desperate street brawler with one killer move. So while they're still prey animals, compared to deer, zebras level up big time in strength and defense.